Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Akram and you're watching Knowledge 360. In this video, I'll show you how to export table data into a CSV file and import those data from a CSV file into a table in PostgreSQL using pgadmin. So guys, I have table actor and this data I want it to be in a CSV file, that is I want to export. So for that, let's go to file. So here we need to create a CSV file first. So go to just create an Excel file using any software you have. I have created Excel file. Now rename it to as CSV. So here CSV file is created. So let's rename it like actor data. So actor data.csv. Want to change, click on yes. One more important thing is that if you want to change the file extension name, like see here file extension, now it becomes comma separated values file, but initially it was an Excel file. So for that you need to enable this option. So if I don't enable this, then I cannot rename the file format. So for now I have renamed this. Now let's see, there must not be any data. See here there is no data here, but now I will export data into it. So let's go and export data to it. The table is this actor table. Do right click on that, go to import export option, click that. Now this is export, this is selected. Now choose file to where you need to export. This is file format, CSV is by default selected. So now choose this file. If you don't find this file, then browse through this and to get the file location. So this is the file, and select create and click on yes. Now two important thing is that you need to enable header yes, and delimiter will be comma. Now click on OK. This is started and successfully completed. Now let's go to the file, and now we should have data in that file. See here we have data in this file, exported data into it. So in this way the file is the table data is exported into a CSV file. Now save it. Let's import this data into a table. So for that, let's do one thing. Let's create another table. Create table public dot actor2. As we know how to do it, select star from public dot actor, where as I don't want to copy the actor table data, so I will put the false condition 1 equals to 2. I just want to copy the structure of the actor table. So table actor2 is created here. Just go and refresh it. You will see here actor2 table is created. Now let's see, there should not be any record here. See, there is no record, but now we'll import data into it. Now go and again click on import export, but for this time do it import, and here we need to mention the file name from which file we want to import. This is the file that from where we want to import our data. Now select it, and this is right the CSV format. Do enable header and delimiter, select comma. So now after that click on OK. So successfully completed. Let's again view the rows. Here we should get data. So all the data are exported into a CSV file, and from that CSV file we can and I show you how to import them again into a table. So guys, this much for the video. Let's meet in another video. If you find the video helpful, please like and subscribe my channel to get the updates of new videos. Thank you, take care, bye bye.